This is an install instructional video for Rvinyl Precut Light Tint. The Precut Rvinyl Light Tint comes in a sealed bag. To open, never cut along the pieces, instead cut at the open section at the top. Pull out the straightforward instructional guide and be sure to take advantage of the cashback offer. Now we move on to a light with slightly more curves, in this case the headlight. Clean it as normal, and a good tip is to always wipe the cutout piece front and back to remove any specks of dirt, and note that this piece will be installed dry. The reason is, for bigger curves, installing a pre-cut piece wet can be very challenging. So, with a dry install, the key is to lock in a section on the flat area and keep the liner on. Heat the film, then gently pull it towards the light. Work in roughly 3 to 4 inches at a time. Gently pull the film around the curve, heat it, then squeegee it on. The liner helps create even tension top to bottom. On the big transition, pull firmly and evenly from top to bottom, still keeping the liner on. The focus should now be mainly on applying the film to the middle section of the light, and not worrying about the top and bottom. Once it's on the main area, be sure to see 2 triangle shapes on the tint on the upper and lower sections. The key is to pick the film back up just to where the wrinkle ends. Here at the bottom, add a bit of heat to relax the film. It'll shrink into place, then squeegee the film onto the surface using a triangle shape. Once the bottom is done, repeat the exact same steps for the top. Pick it up, give it a kiss of heat, which will shrink it back onto the light, then squeegee at a right angle to spread the tension out towards the upper edge. Once the tint is on, go over the light with heat on both the main surface and the edges.